Unlock your career in Canada. Explore LMIA-approved jobs with visa sponsorship for international applicants. Your pathway to a thriving career awaits. In this video, we will unveil 10 visa sponsorship jobs for overseas applicants. Firstly, the first job position is truck dispatcher position and is available at TRIPLAUREATE Logistics Inc. based in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Salary is 24 Canadian dollars per hour. LMIA is available for foreign candidate. The requirements for truck dispatcher position are: candidates must have knowledge of the English language. Candidates need standard educational qualifications, such as a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience, and candidates should have experience of 7 months to less than 1 year. If you have these requirements, send your CV to this email, triplaureatelogistics@gmail.com. Secondly is the accountant job position at Bombay Trading Company Inc. Bombay Trading Company Inc. is based in Mississauga. Canada is inviting applications from suitable candidates for the position of accountant. Bombay Trading Company Inc. is a privately owned Canadian food importer/wholesalers distributor specializing in East and West Indian, African foods, spices, grains, and dry fruits and nuts. The salary is 39 Canadian dollars per hour. The requirements for the accountant position are: candidates must have knowledge of the English language. Candidates need standard educational qualifications, such as a trade certificate or diploma. Candidates should have experience of 2 to less than 3 years. Candidates must have computer and technology knowledge, e.g. MS Excel. If interested, send your CV to bombaytrading.k@gmail.com. Thirdly is the box packer job position at Select Packaging Inc. based in Calgary, Canada. Select Packaging Inc. is inviting applications from suitable candidates for the position of box packer. Select Packaging Inc. specialize in designing and producing custom packaging that meets the unique needs of businesses across various industries. The salary for the box packer position is 15 Canadian dollars per hour. The requirements for this box packer position are: candidates must have knowledge of the English language. Candidates need standard educational qualifications such as a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience. Candidates don't need experience, training will be provided. If interested, send your CV to jobs@selectpackaging.ca. Fourthly is the motel manager job position at Saibaba Corporation based in Dundas Street, London, Ontario. Canada is inviting applications from suitable candidates for the position of motel manager. Saibaba Corporation offers a diverse selection that ranges from electronics to household essentials. Saibaba Corporation ensures quality and affordability in their offerings, catering to a broad spectrum of needs. The requirements for this motel manager job position is: candidates must have knowledge of the English language. Candidates need standard educational qualifications such as bachelor's degree. Candidates should have experience of 2 to less than 3 years. If interested, send mail to info@motorcourtmotel.com. In our fifth position, we have a receptionist job at Preet Brothers Transport Limited, based in the bustling city of Calgary, Canada. Preet Brothers Transport Limited is a reputable freight transportation company seeking suitable candidates for the role of receptionist. This company is known for its extensive logistics solutions, operating a fleet of well-maintained trucks and trailers that ensure the efficient and safe delivery of goods across various destinations. The salary for this job is 18.50 Canadian dollars per hour. The requirements of the receptionist job are as follows: candidates must have a solid understanding of the English language, hold a secondary high school graduation certificate, and possess knowledge of computer and technology such as electronic mail and MS Windows. While experience is not a necessity, as training will be provided, candidates must submit a criminal record check or a police clearance certificate. If this sounds like the job for you, send your CV to preet_harp@hotmail.com. In our sixth position, we're heading to Saskatoon, Canada, where Lodex Transport Limited is inviting applications for the position of truck driver. Lodex Transport Limited prides itself on providing high-quality, efficient, and cost-effective transportation solutions to its clients. Their team consists of experienced drivers, logistics professionals, and customer service representatives who work together seamlessly to ensure clients' shipments are delivered on time and in prime condition. There are 3 vacancies available for this truck driver position with a salary of 28.65 Canadian dollars per hour. The requirements for the truck driver position are as follows: candidates must have proficiency in English, hold a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience. While experience is not a necessity as training will be provided, candidates must submit a criminal record check or a police clearance certificate. If this sounds like the role for you, send your CV to hiring@lodexnow.com. Moving on to our 7th position, we're now in Surrey, Canada, where THUY is currently seeking candidates for the role of receptionist. THUY is a respected and inspirational figure, known for her contributions across various domains and her unwavering commitment to positively influencing the lives of others. There is one vacancy for this receptionist position, offering a competitive salary of 18.05 Canadian dollars per hour. The requirements for this receptionist position are as follows. Candidates must be proficient in English, hold a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience, and have 1 to less than 2 years of experience in a similar role. If you're interested in applying for this role and joining the team at THUY, please submit your CV to humanresource@starwaysimmigration.com. Denny's Restaurants, situated in Abbotsford, British Columbia, Canada, is inviting applications for 8 vacancies for the restaurant cook position. For years, this all-day breakfast, lunch, dinner, and late-night dining place has been uniting food enthusiasts. With a wage of 16.50 Canadian dollars per hour, the job could yours if you meet the following requirements. Fluency in English, possession of a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent, and a work experience ranging from 1 to less than 2 years in a similar role. If passionate about cooking and wish to be a part of the Denny's Restaurants family, please forward your CV to sendanayake@dennys.ca. Our 9th job spotlight is shining on Fort McMurray, Canada. Anet Fibertech Inc. is currently accepting applications for the role of receptionist. This leading organization in the telecommunications industry offers high-speed internet and network connectivity solutions that are unparalleled in their advancement. They are consistently creating cutting-edge infrastructure to keep pace with the ever-expanding needs of businesses and communities. This position, 24 Canadian dollars per hour. The following qualifications are necessary for this job. Proficiency in the English language, a minimum education of a secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience. Prior experience is not a requirement, as comprehensive training will be provided by the company. If you are interested in serving as the first point of contact at Anet Fibertech Inc., kindly forward your CV to jobs@anetgroup.com. Wrapping up our list at number 10, we have a wonderful opportunity at the Arjuna Agro Corporation, located in the heart of Abbotsford, British Columbia, Canada. They are eager to invite suitable candidates to join their team as a general farm worker. Arjuna Agro Corporation is a company notable for their active involvement in promoting local farmers, advocating for agricultural education, and making substantial contributions to the welfare of rural communities. They currently have 10 vacancies available for this role. The remuneration stands at an attractive rate of 16.05 Canadian dollars per hour. The prerequisites for this job are as follows. Candidates must possess a basic understanding of the English language. No formal educational qualifications or prior experience are required, as comprehensive training will be provided. Additionally, candidates are required to submit either a criminal record check or a police clearance certificate. If this opportunity sparks your interest, feel free to send your CV to arjunaagrojobs@gmail.com. Your opportunity awaits. Send your application to the email address provided without delay. Don't forget to tailor your CV to meet the Canadian. Thanks for tuning in. A special shout out to our loyal subscribers. Your support means the world to us. And if you're new to our channel, we encourage you to hit the like button, share our video, leave a comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. This will ensure you stay updated with more valuable insights into the job market. Remember, the journey to your success begins right here.